Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back, y'all. And thank you so much for stopping by today. Now, we are going to cook embutido today, and I'm going to show you step by step on how to cook this. Now, embutido is a popular dish in the Philippines, and it's easy. Now, embutido, it's equivalent to meatloaf here in United States. Are you ready? And here are the ingredients for our embutido. It's 2 pounds of ground pork, one medium onion mince, and a half of bell pepper dice, and 2 teaspoons of salt. And we have over here a half, no, actually it's 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 3 teaspoons of minced garlic, half cup of dry grapes, it's called raisen, 2 eggs, and a half cup of bread crumbs. And also we are going to boil 6 eggs. Okay, we are going to boil 6 eggs because we're going to put this one in the middle of our embutido. All right, and we are just going to mix this one together. And we are just going to put our meat in here. And make sure you take the paper out. So we got our meat here, and then we're just gonna add all the ingredients, okay? And we are gonna put our onion. The red bell pepper, garlic, the black pepper, salt, raisin, and the 2 eggs. And don't forget, we're going to add our breadcrumbs. And we just have to mix this one together. So just make sure that you mix this one very well. And I think this is ready. And we are going to get our foil, and then we're going to roll this one. And here's my aluminum foil, and I'm cutting this about 10 inches. So we'll just have to make piece of this. So for now, I'm just gonna make 4. I think 4 is enough for our embutido, okay? And we are just gonna scoop about this much. And we'll make well, maybe we need to put more. Yeah, let's put more. So it looks be more bigger and longer. So we'll just it's gonna be meat roll. So we'll just have to, yeah, like that. Okay. Then I will make a dent on the middle because that's where we're gonna put the eggs over here, okay? So as you can see, our egg is ready. And I'm just gonna cut this one in half and put it right here, right in the middle. And then we'll put another half over here at the end. Okay. Okay, and then we are going to cover this one with another set of meat. Okay, just like that, people. Easy and simple and pretty. All right, we're just gonna roll it like so. That one. Oops, make sure that one doesn't. Oh, that one. Okay. And I'm just gonna roll this. There you go. There's one. And we are ready to put our embutido in our steamer. We're gonna steam it for 45 minutes. So open this, and we're just gonna put our embutido gently in the steamer. We'll just put it right beside each other, like so. Make sure there's a space so that the steam can go around the. And I have like leftover one, so that makes the fourth small one. And then we're just going to cover this one for 45 minutes. We'll leave it there. So after 45 minutes, our embutido is done. Cool, I'm so excited. Good. All right, we are going to cut this one now. We're going to open it. So excited. Are you excited? So we're just going to unwrap this one. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Ooh, I can smell it. It smells so good. Yes. Oh my goodness, I can smell this one from up here and it smells so delicious. So we're gonna cut this one in a slant. Here you go. And it depends on what size do you like. See, it's so pretty, and you can see the eggs inside. So the egg and the breadcrumbs will make the embutido hold together. It will not break. Oh, it's so hot. Here you go. All right, and that we are done. So we're gonna take this one and we'll just put it in our. There you go, guys. It's so pretty and looks so good. And here you go. Bon appetit. Oh, patikim nga. Let's try it. Pretty good. I'm ready for the party. Oh, that was so much fun, isn't it? Now I'll show you how to do it, and I'm expecting it that you will try it yourself. Now, if you haven't subscribed this channel, I need you to click down below and to subscribe and tell your friends. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will see my latest video. And as always, God bless you and have a safe day. Bye.